Hi, this is Chris German from The Apartment Dealer, and I just listed 5 individual duplexes here in the South Bay in the cities of Hawthorne and Lawndale. See my other video on the 3 that I listed in Hawthorne. Today we'll be discussing the 2 properties that are located in the city of Lawndale. First one up here is on Gravalia. Now these individual units, one is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. The other unit is a 3-bedroom, 1-bath cottage. Both have access to garage parking. We have updated electrical panels, interior laundry hookups. The property has been well maintained. The property actually has double entrances, so each cottage has entrance either from the front or the rear of the property, so tenants don't even need to cross paths. We have individual entrances here. And in terms of total square footage, there's about 1,800 total rentable square feet on about a 6,000 square foot lot. So these are good size units, well laid out on the lot size. Now let's jump over to the property over on 167th. Now this property is actually comprised of 2 individual cottages, both of which are 2-bedroom, 1-bath. Tenants enjoy private yards, private garage parking, private interior laundry hookups. The electrical panels have been updated on this particular property, and tenants pay for not only electricity and gas, but water. There is separate meters for all 3 utilities here: electricity, gas, and water. Total square footage is 1,475 feet, and the lot size here is a little over 5,800 square feet. Now, Lawndale, here centered in the South Bay. Of course, we're just minutes from SoFi Stadium, Intuit Dome, LAX, SpaceX, great location. Most importantly, high rental demand. More than 2/3 of residents in the city of Lawndale actually are renters. So what does that mean? That means units are full, rental rates are going up because there's much competition. If you're looking for a duplex property, you think the South Bay would be a location for you. Remember, we got 5 separate locations between Hawthorne and Lawndale. One of these have to be the right one for you. Give me a call, send me a message here, and hopefully we'll be doing a deal soon.